In this video, I will show you how to show ping MS and FPS in League of Legends. So first go to settings, click on hotkeys, and then scroll all the way down until you see display, click on it, and then you will see the toggle FPS here. So click on it. So this is the display. You can type Control F and then you can unbind it to change. So for example, I will unbind it and here we see it's empty. So press any key to bind a FPS display. So I will press the Control F again and then click on save. And then after that, click on done. And now I will show you guys how it looks. So I will play a game here and you will see the FPS and ping MS here. So I will try to press Control F. So you will see guys, it is now in hidden. And when I try to press Control F again, you will see that it will show in here. So, and that's it guys. You will now enjoy playing by showing FPS and ping MS here. If it helped you, please like and subscribe.